Guys, there is some change in the lead squad working. Earlier, FS was not able to see lead of other FOS. They can see lead of only one of the lead of which they are lead owner. Now FOS can see all the lead. They have to go to lead near me. Okay. Set kilometer. Click here. 3 button. View all lead. Filter. Lead stage. P1, P2, P3. Apply filter. So 2 leads are visible. Open the lead. They have to go to location. After going to location, click on I button. After clicking on I button, they have to click the pencil button. Once they click on the pencil button, select the new owner and submit it. Once it is submitted, go back. Open it again. If you see task owner is also updated, then FOS can open the task, add the location, mark complete and do the activity. Thank you. Go to task, click on mark complete. Farming form will open. If the merchant is ready for services for engagement, click on select service completed. Fill the form. IHS I explain is not a mandatory. POC name not mandatory. Point of contact name if there, enter it. Point of contact number if it is there, enter it. Else this is not mandatory. Enter the address. Pin code. Enter the category. Services. If it is services. If it is retail and shopping, enter the merchant UPI number. Business type. Business profile. Type of ownership. Tagging. Shop area. Number of employees. Off day of the store. Take the image, GST image if available. Cashback offer, back issue, multi-select. This is multi-select if any issue is there. No issues means no issues. If merchant has cashback issue, multi-select. Login issue, this is also multi-select, no issues. Branding and merchandising issue, regular branding, visit by ACI customer, no issues. Service experience, this is multi-select. Then farming inspection to be done, penny drop done, yes. Type of branding, normal branding, kit number, merchandising deployed. If it is poster tape, this is not mandatory. Training support provided on, get payments and receive, download QR, done. IC name, Bheem, Paytm, done. Upload the QR image, upload the penny drop image, upload storefront image and upload branding image and submit it. Once you submit this, farming will be completed for service completed. Thank you. Okay, so this is farming form. If merchant is not interested, select merchant not interested, select the reason code, follow up not interested, business shutdown, fake onboarding, address not interested, reason code, select the reason code why a merchant is not interested, business follow up, select the date and time and the storefront image, business shutdown permanently, select the submit it, fake onboarding, submit it. If it is address and pin code error, enter the address and submit it. So farming will be completed with status service not completed. Thank you.